All right, guys, let's see what can go wrong with this picture. If I push it all the way forward. Whoa! That was not a good idea. All right, it's postcard time. I want to say thank you to Maria in the Bowl and CalCal27 for being our new Patreons. If you want to receive a postcard just like the other Patreons and interact with us, please check out the link below for the Patreon link. Make sure to stop over at Maria in the Bowls. They have a great food and travel vlog. It's an amazing channel, and let them know Santos Chronicles sent you. How's it going, Chronicles crew? We are now in Petersburg, Illinois. So Petersburg was found in 1833. It actually has a population of 2,299 people. Abraham Lincoln settled about a few miles away, New Salem. So hopefully one of these times we'll be able to visit that area. And so today we're gonna go some boat riding and do a lot of fun stuff. So let's go!
Hi, my name is Ben Ruby and I'm gonna do a flip! That's on YouTube. Everybody's gonna see that.
Don't leave, the boat's about to leave. Oh no!
Is this your first boat ride?
Rosalie, look at this.
She went on the ferry to Mackinac.
I like your outfit there. So how long have you had this pontoon now?
Couple months.
So you're a pro? My life is safe with you?
Oh yes.
I probably should have worn a life vest since my swimming skills aren't very good. In high school, they made me take a swimming class. I barely passed. I think they felt sorry for me.
So this is one finger of the lake. Then we go out to the main body and there's another finger that goes back the other way. The sun is warm.
I used to spend my summers here when I was a kid. I'd stay here like the whole summer, a couple months.
Today putting sunscreen on.
Sunscreen on.
Yeah. Luckily she doesn't have mommy's skin.
Help.
All right, guys, let's see what can go wrong with this picture. If I push it all the way forward. Whoa! That was not a good idea. Vlogging and driving a boat is not a good idea.
So funny.
That fell off. The girls beat you. Looks like we have the lake all to ourselves here today. They said it only gets busy like during the holidays. So with the pontoon, what type of gas does it use?
Regular gas.
Like unleaded?
Yep, 87.
And during the winter you said you had to store it?
Have to store it and winterize it. You take all the water out of the engine and you put antifreeze in it. They shrink wrap it, they cover it with plastic and shrink wrap it.
Really? No, I did not know that.
Then they store it outside.
Someone had too good of a time. Good morning, everybody. So it's the next day, and I'm actually just gonna try to check out the drone again while the sun is rising, see how that looks. So yeah, everybody else like Addison and little Ben and Uncle Russ are fishing. So let's see if we can get some good shots. Hopefully I do a good job and not crash it and make that viral. So the drone's very easy to use and surprisingly, because I thought it'd be hard like playing Top Gun when I was younger.
And if you're interested in the DJI drone, I do have a link down below if you want more information.
Please like, smash that subscribe button,
And hit that notification bell while you're at it so you know when a new video comes out. Till our next journey, bye!